Let's get it. Shawty said she like it how I pull up in a foreign. And I can't be capping, I ain't got no time for it. Like, damn, that bitch bad, but I pull up in that Porsche. I just put up with the Zaza pack and get into the bands. And it took a lot of work to drip this hard, but I got plans. She my runner, she done trap the packs are right up at her bands. Now I hop up out that flight to private island in Japan. I just took your bitch to south of France for me to catch a tan. I can't wait to see they face when I pull up with 100 bands. And my amigos trapped in packs, so I'ma call them when I land. They gon' hate on me regardless, I'ma stack it to the end. Check the score cause we up right now and we getting to the end. That bitch calling me Big Benjamin, I think that I'm a friend. I just keep a lot of Benjamins, I don't want no more friends. Like damn, I feel like I'm further away, I went to Mordor. I'm having wrecks so I ain't even got no time to check the scoreboard. And when I walk into 11, I'ma have to change the weather. I'm going hard so that my fam can eat, the whole world go remember. Everybody know me, I'm the only one that got that pressure. It's a AM out there for me, I'm the one that gonna get it. Black foreign coupe, I'm speeding when I'm riding around with Shawty. In the trunk a couple of years, but that's the risk that we gon' take. I know you ain't getting money out here, you just busy hanging. Last night I had a bag, but I just blew it in the face.